FixR-025, Advanced Autonomous Drone for Large-Scale Operations. The FixR-025 is a state-of-the-art autonomous drone designed to transform large-scale operations with its advanced capabilities. Unlike traditional UAVs, it excels in long-range missions, delivering precision and efficiency across various industries. Equipped with a robust payload capacity and a comprehensive suite of safety features, the FixR-025 is ideal for applications such as aerial mapping, infrastructure inspections, remote sensing, and surveillance. Its versatile design ensures unmatched reliability and performance, making it an essential tool for businesses and organizations aiming to enhance productivity and streamline operations. With its cutting-edge technology, the FixR-025 is set to revolutionize the way industries gather data, monitor environments, and optimize workflows, offering a competitive edge in the rapidly evolving world of autonomous aerial solutions. Grumman F-14 Tomcat, Advanced 4th Generation Fighter. The Grumman F-14 Tomcat is a twin-engine, 4th-generation fighter jet with variable sweep wings, developed by Grumman Aircraft Engineering Corporation. Designed primarily for fleet defense, its main role is to intercept and neutralize incoming missile threats to naval groups. At the core of the F-14's capabilities is the Hughes AN/AWG-9 weapons control system, which enables precision targeting. For close-range combat, the Tomcat is equipped with a built-in 20mm automatic cannon, carrying 675 rounds. The aircraft's primary missile arsenal includes 4 AIM-54 Phoenix or AIM-7 Sparrow air-to-air missiles, mounted on pylons beneath the fuselage. Notably, the F-14 is the only fighter capable of carrying the AIM-54, a long-range missile valued at $500,000. With an effective range of 115 miles, this weapon allows the F-14 to eliminate enemy aircraft before they even detect its presence on radar, making it a formidable force in aerial combat. Stratolaunch Talon A, Advancing Hypersonic Flight. The Stratolaunch Talon A is a cutting-edge hypersonic test vehicle developed by Stratolaunch, a US-based aerospace company. Designed for high-speed flight testing, this unmanned, reusable aircraft is launched from Stratolaunch's Rock, the world's largest aircraft. Capable of reaching speeds over Mach 5, the Talon A features a liquid propellant rocket engine and modular payload bays, making it a versatile platform for advanced research and development. This technology allows for critical testing of high-speed aerodynamics, propulsion systems, and defense applications. The successful maiden flight of the Talon A in March 2024 marked a major breakthrough in hypersonic technology, setting the stage for future advancements in aerospace innovation and national security. With its reusability and adaptability, the Talon A represents a significant step forward in next-generation high-speed flight. Fly Now E-Copter, the future of air mobility. While many companies are still discussing the future of transportation, Fly Now is actively working to bring it to life. If all goes according to plan, production of their cutting-edge e-copter will begin as early as 2026. These fully electric vehicles blend the design of a helicopter and a drone, offering an innovative solution for urban air travel. The Fly Now e-copter boasts impressive performance specs, reaching speeds of up to 130 km per hour, 81 miles per hour, and covering 50 kilometers, 31 miles, on a single charge. It can also carry a payload of up to 200 kilograms, 440 pounds, making it a versatile option for passenger and cargo transport. One of its most promising applications is as an air taxi, with both two-seat and cargo models in development. Even more exciting is the projected cost, comparable to that of a car trip. Could this mark the end of traffic congestion as we know it? With FlyNow's vision, the future of urban mobility is closer than ever. Su-35, Advanced Multi-Role Fighter. The Su-35 is a highly advanced multi-role fighter designed for air superiority and precision strikes against aerial, ground, and surface targets. It is capable of engaging both long-range and close-range threats while also effectively striking heavily defended ground infrastructure located far from its base. This aircraft seamlessly combines the capabilities of a modern air superiority fighter with the versatility of a tactical combat aircraft. It is powered by two twin-circuit turbojet engines featuring thrust vectoring and an afterburner for enhanced maneuverability and speed. The cockpit is equipped with a state-of-the-art holographic heads-up display, along with two liquid crystal displays that operate in a multi-screen mode. The Su-35 boasts an advanced weapons control system, which includes an electro-optical targeting system and a multifunctional radar. Its multi-mode, anti-jamming system enables air-to-air target detection up to 250 miles and ground target tracking up to 125 miles, ensuring superior situational awareness and combat effectiveness. McDonnell Douglas F-15 Eagle, a legacy of air superiority. The McDonnell Douglas F-15 Eagle is a fourth-generation, all-weather American fighter jet that has been in service since 1976. Developed through a joint program between the U.S. Air Force and NASA, it was specifically designed for aerial combat and remains one of the most formidable air superiority fighters ever built. Constructed with titanium and aluminum alloys, high-strength steel, and at least 5% composite materials, the F-15 boasts durability and lightweight efficiency. The aircraft measures 64 feet in length, with a wingspan of 42 feet, and can reach a maximum speed of 1,650 miles per hour at high altitude. The F-15 features a single pilot cockpit and carries fuel in 6 tanks, 4 within the fuselage and 2 in the wings. Despite its long service history, the latest reports indicate that the F-15 will continue operating in the U.S. Air Force until at least 2025, solidifying its reputation as a cornerstone of American air power. Otis Aviation, redefining air travel with hybrid technology. Otis Aviation is taking a bold approach to the future of air travel, enlisting top engineers from renowned companies like Lockheed Martin, Hyperloop One, and American Eagle Airlines. Instead of focusing on short-range electric flying cars, which offer little advantage over existing electric road vehicles, Otis Aviation is thinking bigger. Their vision is a hybrid electric aircraft capable of carrying 9 passengers over a distance of 1,127 kilometers, 700 miles. In the U.S., this range would cover approximately 52% of domestic air routes. The aircraft is designed to reach speeds of 555 kilometers per hour, 345 miles per hour, making regional air travel faster and more efficient. What truly sets Otis Aviation apart is its sustainability. The hybrid design is expected to cut emissions by 80%, thanks to the integration of sustainable aviation fuel and advanced propulsion technology. If successful, this aircraft could revolutionize regional flights, offering a greener and more practical alternative to conventional air travel. E-Flight Air Tractor 1.5 meters, a true-to-life scale model. Some model aircraft are designed to be near-exact replicas of their real-life counterparts, and the E-Flight Air Tractor 1.5 meters is a perfect example. But first, let's talk about its origins. Air Tractor is an American company founded in Texas in 1978, specializing in agricultural aircraft. Over the past 40 years, their planes have remained in high demand worldwide. The E-Flight Air Tractor is a meticulously crafted replica of one of these aircraft. The designers have recreated every detail, from paneling and tiny rivets to fully functional flaps. Its sturdy chassis is equipped with oversized tires, enhancing both takeoff and landing capabilities. For added realism, users can install a working landing system, a navigation system, or strobe lights. Despite its impressive size, measuring about 1 meter, 3.3 feet, in length with a wingspan of 1.5 meters, 4.9 feet, the model offers excellent maneuverability. Its battery provides 10 to 15. Airhogs X-Wing, a must-have for Star Wars fans. Star Wars enthusiasts will instantly recognize this iconic toy aircraft, the legendary T-65 X-Wing starfighter, the Rebel Alliance's most advanced fighter. Known for its speed and maneuverability, this classic ship is now available as a toy for nearly anyone with $100 to spare. Well, almost. The Airhogs X-Wing is a miniature toy version, but the manufacturer has packed it with intricate details to make it look as realistic as possible. It features a maximum flight range of 76 meters, 250 feet, and is built with a durable metal frame covered in impact-resistant expanded polypropylene, ensuring it can withstand crashes. Like its on-screen counterpart, this model offers impressive maneuverability, making it a thrill to fly. The controller is designed to be simple and intuitive, allowing both beginners and experienced users to pilot the X-Wing with ease. Whether you're a collector or just a Star Wars fan looking for some fun, this toy brings a piece of the galaxy far, far away right into your hands. Saab JAS-39 Gripen, a versatile multi-role fighter. The Saab JAS-39 Gripen is a multi-role fighter aircraft developed by Saab AB in the mid-1980s. Designed for air interception, combat missions, ground strikes, and reconnaissance, this advanced jet features a duck aerodynamic configuration with a mid-mounted delta wing. Approximately 30% of its structure is made from composite materials, ensuring a lightweight yet durable design. The Gripen is powered by a Volvo Aero ERM12 twin-spool turbofan engine, complemented by two S-shaped air intakes for optimized airflow. The cockpit offers excellent visibility with large viewing windows and is equipped with 3 multi-function displays. The aircraft's short control stick is positioned directly in front of the pilot for precise maneuverability. In case of electronic control system failure, the forward canard wings automatically disengage, aligning the aircraft for stable flight. If the engine fails, an air-driven microturbine generates emergency power, supported by backup batteries that provide up to 10 minutes of flight, enough time to reach a nearby landing site. F-35, Advanced Fifth-Generation Fighter Bombers. The F-35 is a state-of-the-art, multifunctional fifth-generation fighter bomber developed by the American defense company Lockheed Martin. It comes in 3 distinct variants: a conventional takeoff and landing (CTOL) model for the U.S. Air Force, a short takeoff and vertical landing (STOVL) version for the U.S. Marine Corps and the British Navy, and a carrier-based model for the U.S. Navy. These aircraft are equipped with a variety of advanced weaponry, including air-to-air missiles, cruise missiles, precision-guided bombs weighing up to 2,000 pounds, cluster bombs, and anti-tank missiles. A specialized 4-barrel 25mm cannon was designed specifically for the F-35. In the F-35A model, this cannon is internally mounted above and behind the left air intake with 180 rounds. For the F-35B and F-35C, an external pod containing 220 rounds is mounted under the fuselage, ensuring versatility in combat scenarios. Jetoptera WIG concept, revolutionizing maritime transport. The Jetoptera WIG, wing in ground, concept is an innovative approach to maritime transportation, blending aircraft and watercraft technologies. It leverages the ground effect phenomenon, where an aircraft flying close to the water's surface experiences increased lift, leading to greater fuel efficiency and enhanced payload capacity. Designed to operate at low altitudes, Jetoptera's WIG vehicles maximize ground effect benefits while delivering higher speeds and longer range compared to traditional sea vessels. This groundbreaking technology has the potential to redefine coastal transportation, logistics, and even passenger travel, offering a cost-effective, environmentally friendly alternative to conventional maritime transport. By merging aviation efficiency with marine versatility, the Jetoptera WIG concept could play a pivotal role in shaping the future of sustainable, high-speed waterborne travel. Terra Dynamics XP4, Advanced VTOL Fixed-Wing UAV. The Terra Dynamics XP4 is a cutting-edge electric vertical takeoff and landing (VTOL) fixed-wing unmanned aerial vehicle (UAV) designed for efficient logistics and critical missions. This innovative aircraft features Terra Dynamics' patented transwing technology, allowing it to transition seamlessly between hover and fixed-wing flight, making it highly maneuverable in confined spaces while improving stability in windy conditions. With a maximum payload capacity of 7 kilograms, 15.4 pounds, the XP4 is capable of carrying essential supplies for missions lasting up to 1 hour. Its versatility makes it an invaluable asset for humanitarian aid, disaster relief, medical supply transport, and critical cargo delivery. By combining VTOL flexibility with the efficiency of fixed-wing flight, the XP4 redefines UAV capabilities, offering enhanced range, endurance, and operational effectiveness in challenging environments. Leonardo AW609, the future of tiltrotor aviation. The Leonardo AW609 is a groundbreaking tiltrotor aircraft that merges the vertical takeoff and landing (VTOL) capabilities of a helicopter with the speed and range of a fixed-wing airplane. Designed for both civilian and military applications, it is ideal for remote and confined area operations. With advanced tiltrotor technology, the AW609 achieves cruising speeds of up to 275 knots, 316 miles per hour, and a range exceeding 700 nautical miles, significantly reducing travel time compared to traditional helicopters. Its pressurized cabin ensures passenger comfort at high altitudes, making it suitable for various missions, including medical evacuation, search and rescue, corporate transport, and offshore operations. By combining efficiency, speed, and adaptability, the AW609 sets a new standard in aerial mobility, revolutionizing the way people and cargo are transported over long distances. Aeromobile, the future of flying cars. Aeromobile is an innovative company developing a revolutionary flying car designed to seamlessly transition between road and air travel. Their vision is to create a versatile vehicle that functions as both a traditional car and an aircraft, redefining personal transportation. The Aeromobile concept features a sleek, aerodynamic design with retractable wings that allow it to switch between driving and flying modes. In car mode, it operates like a standard vehicle, capable of navigating regular roads. When in airplane mode, the wings extend, enabling takeoff and landing at conventional airports. Powered by a hybrid propulsion system, the Aeromobile combines a gasoline engine with electric motors, ensuring efficiency in both ground and air travel. Designed for longer journeys, it offers a practical solution for those seeking an innovative and flexible mode of transportation. With its cutting-edge design and advanced technology, Aeromobile represents a significant step toward the future of urban mobility.